Uh, I'm very thankful to God.
Siya ay maraming salamat sa ating Panginoon. Siya ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa kung may kapal. At na mababaw
For blessing me with wonderful family.
sa pagbibigay sa kanya ng
Wonderful family.
ng maayos, magandang pamilya, maayos. Pagkakaloob. Pinagkalooban mo ako ng
Pamilya.
pareho lang eh. Ano na?
Okay.
Wala. Then,
Because I have returned here to the Philippines.
Ikaw muna.
I have returned again? Because dahil you have ulit
Return.
dito sa Pilipinas.
Yun.
Makata. Me. I will shit. Nagpapasalamat siya kasi nakapunta siya dito sa Pilipinas. Dahil ako'y muling nagbabalik sa aking lupang sinila. Sa tinubuan ng aking magulang.
Proceed. Tinubuhan ng ating lahi.
Muntik ko ng tinubuan. Muntik. Semi. Canada made.
Proceed.
I have come to appreciate life much more.
You again.
I have come to appreciate more.
Slow.
I have
In so mababa word.
I have come.
Like,
Nandito ka para ma-appreciate mo kami lahat. Ay, kulihan. Oo. Ano, masakyan. Appreciate, then,
life much
Ang buhay.
ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan.
I have come to appreciate life much more.
Mas lalo kong pinapahalagan ang buhay. Stand up, sir.
Ano tayo? Rinig mo ang accent. You again.
No, again.
Parang Francis ka. I come to appreciate much more. Life much more. Then,
It's the end. If we go to our plane, you will miss us. If you miss us, you will cry. You will cry, you get tissue. You Where's my your tears? Your tears is becoming angry. Muta. Your muta, you know? If your new wake up, the tears is to you. Dry.
Morning glory.
Dry. The tears is morning glory. And then here, the center of the nose. And the side, left and right. The tears is dry. And the tears is dry, you will get out because it's so ugly. dila.
Ano mamumuo? Muta.
And if you cry, your nose is having sipon. Magkakaroon ka ng pinatuyong luha.
Tinatawag na? Muta.
Pinaikling muta.
More.
The muta only here in upper nose, right down.
Sayang kung may video sana, video niya, no? Oo nga, no? But this is the drinkers of your relatives. Drinkers. When it comes to drinking, what can you say?
Sunog baga.
What can you say to them?
Sunog baga.
Sunog baga.
Sunog baga ay tunang atay. You know, sunog baga, fire is stomach. Plain lang. Two words only, 2 syllables. Two words. If you get hula.
Michelle,
You will say,